My reaction is to all these brushes, this is too many things to deal with. These look too wide, though. Ugh, like that's do I just make it smaller?
You kind of have to play around with it and discover what it is that you like.
Oh, that's a little bit better. I want a little fuzzier. Can I make it fuzzier?
What do you mean fuzzier?
I want it in between this and the last one. Or do I just make this brush bigger? It feels a little mushy. It glides too fast. Should I not be changing brushes? I feel like the two brushes don't mix very well.
I mean, it's up to you. I can't really control how you draw.
I don't like this brush. It looks like corduroy.
That little scale at the top that says opacity.
Ooh! Oh my god, it's like magic!
Yeah, there you go. If I put the pencil on its side, I can start getting this effect. So it's as if
Wait, how did you do that? Back up!
I literally just tilt the pencil like I would if it was traditional.
I can't get the right brush. Like, it's sort of driving me up the wall. Like, every brush I'm using is just like a little bit too wide or too scratchy. Wait, no. Wait, what is this?
You're trying to draw on a layer that doesn't exist. So just hit cancel real quick.
Yeah, that's what I want. But I want it maybe a little bit less opaque. Ooh, a little bit. Ooh, this is starting. No, that's too much.
This is why I recommended that you figure out like what brushes you like beforehand.
Wait, Jordan, why? What is this?
That's a very large brush.
Oh, so I just made it so big that it turned into a big design. Pinch the layers together with your fingers. Wait, what?
Maybe you should just watch me because I'm afraid you're going to lose all your stuff.
Wait, can I unmerge it?
You'd have to hit the undo button on the side. Otherwise, those drawings will be lost forever.
Wait, what undo button?
That's the little arrow on the bottom here.
I thought undo was the double tap.
You can do that. I did that as a safety precaution for you.
Help, what happened?
Oh, that's your brush menu. Just hit done. How do you feel about Procreate from an hour ago till now?
I think I sort of suck at it.